Welcome back. Hey, do you remember my name? No? Sad face. It's Christy. Are you ready to get started? Let's code. There are two ways to move your sprite. Last lesson, we used the move steps command to indicate the number of steps you want the sprite to take. To go backwards while still facing the same direction, we used a negative number of steps. The second way to move your sprite is the go to X and Y command. This moves your sprite in a specific position on the screen. We tell Scratch the position we want using a grid, which is a map on the screen. Here's an example of the XY grid. The X is the line across the screen from left to right. This is called the horizontal axis. Axis just means a line, and horizontal just means flat. The Y is a line that runs up and down the screen, or in a vertical direction. We use the numbers on these lines to tell the program where we want the sprite to move on the screen. These numbers are called coordinates. The position of our sprite on the screen is communicated to the computer using coordinates. One that tells it the position across the screen, this is the X coordinate, and the other tells it the position on the up-down, or Y-axis. The coordinates are like the address, except in programming, we call this the position. Where the X-axis and Y-axis lines cross is called, can you guess it? The center. The center is defined as 0, 0. So if your sprite has a position of 0, 0, you know you're always in the center of the screen. As our sprite moves on the screen, the coordinates change to help us know that the position of the sprite has changed. As we move to the left, X gets smaller. We move to the right, X gets larger. We move down, Y gets smaller. And we move up, Y gets larger. All right, let's play a quick game. Where would the sprite be if it's at position X0, Y0? That's right, it's in the center of the grid. What direction would the sprite move if it moves from the center to position X0, Y10? That's right, it moved to the up on the grid. You can move your sprite using the go to X and Y command. Set the position you want to the number of a coordinate on the grid. Pretty easy now that you understand coordinates and grids. All right, I'll meet you again in the next lesson where we'll work on direction and rotation. Bye-bye for now.